Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We're talking about my new hair. So I got some hair that I have never seen before, literally have never seen it on a beauty supply shelf in my life until I went to a new store that is pretty big, not too far from where I work. And this is the XPression African Collection Snap brand hair. It is deep twist 12 inches. And what's really cool about this pack is that it has 3 times the hair in just one pack. So each thing comes like in a bundle like this, which this hair actually does feel like bundles, even though it is synthetic hair. It's very soft and it comes in 3 of these. So each bundle has 15 pieces and there's 3 in each pack. So there's 45 pieces per pack of hair. I ended up using 5 bundles. I have this one left over from what I didn't use. So 5 times 15, 75. I used 75 pieces of this like crochet, these little crochet sections in my hair. Now I did split some in half and I left some whole. And it's interesting about this hair because this top part is a looser curl, but then the bottom goes into a tighter curl. So when it falls, it kind of, it doesn't look bad. It actually reminds me of when I used to roll my hair at night and then finger pull it out in the morning. The ends would always be like a tighter curl, I guess, because that's what was rolled up tighter in there. And the top would be a looser curl. So that's what it reminds me of. Obviously, mine wasn't this long and it wasn't this soft. But I like this hair. I like this curl pattern. It is definitely not like the free tress deep twist because I hate that hair. The free tress deep twist is cool for a little bit and then it just goes to shit. So this is not what that hair is like. This is a totally different hair. This reminds me of the Lulu Tress and the Outre Bahamas curl and Bohemian curl that I've had before. I like that it's 12 inches. Normally I go 14 or 18, but this 12 is just sitting in a really good spot. And I feel like for work and for it being so hot outside, this is a really, really good length. Each pack was $15.99, which is the equivalent of 3 packs of hair. So I felt like that was a really good deal. I kind of wish they had these in packs that are separate because I probably would have only purchased 4 of these, maybe 5, and I could have saved a little bit of money. But to have hair left over, not that big of a deal. I'll just add it to my hair bag. So again, there are 15 pieces per section and then 45 in the whole pack. I used 5 sections and I have 1 left over. Let me know if you try this hair. I look forward to wearing it for the next 2 weeks. That's about how long I've been wearing my loose hair lately because it's just hot and I want to wash my scalp really, really good. But I think that the upkeep on this hair is going to be pretty good. In a few weeks, I'll put down below in the comments how it felt, how it wore, and what it looked like when I took it out. So thanks for watching this episode. Follow me on Instagram at Conversations with Candace. I'll be doing more makeup giveaways very, very soon. And until next time, have a good day.